Hello viewers, welcome to the grand finale of the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Rail Restoration. In this grand finale we're going to be applying the second coat of paint that the rail low deserves. So we're going to go ahead and second coat the Mighty Beauty, and we're going to see what she looks like when she's done. So we're going to go ahead and coat this side first. So you guys can see here the rail's starting to look a lot better now as we finish it off. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the stool 90 degrees so you can see what we're doing. So we're going to show you guys here what's going on as we finish the product. You want to make sure you coat your rail thoroughly and make sure you coat it good. Do our ends one more time. See this, guys, our rail is looking beautiful. Alright. So now, guys, we have finished the restoration procedure of this beautiful 1930s Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western rail. The rail has received its final coating of paint, which now concludes the restoration procedure for this Mighty Beaut. And in about maybe an hour or so, we're going to come down and collect it, and we're going to take it upstairs and put it on display. So that will be the finale of this series, of this DL&W rail restoration. We're going to have a part 3 to the video, moving the rail into its final position in the rail room. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you for part 3, which is the final positioning of the Mighty Beaut.